Use case diagram, library management system. A use case diagram is a type of UML diagram used to represent the functional requirements of a system. It shows how external actors interact with the system to achieve specific goals. Each use case represents a task or function that the system performs, such as user login or generating a report. This diagram helps in understanding the scope of the system, identifying user roles, and defining how users interact with the system, making it a valuable tool in software engineering for capturing requirements and communicating with the stakeholders. Purpose of a use case diagram: it defines system scope, shows the boundary and functionality of the system. It illustrates user interactions, represents how users or external systems interact with the system. It captures key functionalities, highlights the core tasks the system must perform. Facilitate Facilitate communication, provides a clear and simple way to convey requirements to stakeholders. Components of use case diagram: actors, use cases, system boundary, relationships. External users or systems that interact with the system are called as actors. Specific tasks or functionalities the system performs are known as use cases. Uh, System boundary defines the scope of the system. Relationships, connections between actors and use case. Example: association, include, and extend. Types of relationships in use case diagram. Use case diagram. Association, it represents a communication link between an actor and a use case. Include, it indicates the one use case always includes the behavior of another use case. Extend represents optional behavior that extends a base use case. Generalization shows an actor or use case that is a specialized version of another. Use case diagram for library management system. There are two actors, borrower and a librarian. Borrower will communicate with the librarian. Will manage the system. It Librarian will have access to make reservations, remove reservations. In the reservation, it includes lend item, and it also has return of idea. Librarian will have access to the maintenance, which includes removing or updating a title, and addition of title, and removing an item, addition of an item, and adding and removing the of borrower details. This is an example of use case diagram for library management system. uh, Thank you.